These are the elevators at the Renaissance in Schaumburg. All right, up to 16. Wait for that one to go down. Must be the pool up here. I never understand why they don't just put a sixth one there. Make it symmetrical, right? These are really nice cabs. Oh, I just heard the chime from the one right below us. It was a floor down, you can see it open there. These are very nice, I like these. Down to one. Stopping on 6 or 5. The 8 button does a different thing. Going down?
Yes.
L or 1?
Good question.
You going to the lobby or
Yes, lobby.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. I'm just filming for a project. You're totally fine. Don't worry about it. Have a good one, guys.
Thank you, you too.
He's going down. These are busy. There's some sort of like dance moms competition type of thing going on here.
I don't know. I don't even remember when COVID started. I do. March 13th, 2020.
Oh, someone has quite the memory there. That's funny. Wait a minute.
Automatically did
They
that.
disguised this one as a door. Look at that. That's funny. They disguised it as another elevator. They even put a little fake lantern. Is there a bulb behind it? No, it's fixed in there. That's really funny though. That's all.